Okay, welcome one more time. Like I said in the previous video, I'm going to make more and I'm going to show you a little bit more about trading. I'm going to talk about that in case that you're not for the trading, that people, some of them, they are finding confused and difficult. So what you can do, easily, you can type the crypto equalizer site and you can choose one of the many companies we are working with. So at the moment, Bull Run is the newest. We have Finico, Russian company. We have Mine Capital from Spain, also a really good company. We have a Daisy smart contract using the Tron link. We have a Cubitech. Here you can buy or sell the crypto, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to guide you a little bit, and also the high risk business. So this also is important. So you can forget about all of this. But first thing you need to do when you open this site, you go on high risk, and I'm going to show you now. Here we have a scams and high risk platforms. So daily updates. We see our mission. So what do we have? Finalmente Global, we have Bitero. Okay, here you can find all the informations about the newest things happening in the crypto world. So we have a scam here, the site is down, we have Bitero. We have the MTI even before they disappear. Also here, even before they shut down the site, we published that. BND Trading was a scam. MineCC also we published before they have disappeared, and there is more. So you can come here and you can see by yourself everything you want to know. You want to buy or sell crypto, you don't know how, no problem. Here you come and you can go on the crypto.com, sex.eo if you're from India or anywhere else. You can use the buzzer X. Here we also have Bittrex Global, Binance Qcoin, BlockFi, Hotbit, and how to buy Bitcoin on this video, even in my previous videos. Okay, before we start with the trading, like I said, I want to show you this site. Here you can find anything you want connected and regarding about cryptocurrency, about the trading platforms, about the investment platforms and passive income. That's most important. Here you can see pictures of the people. You can make a contact on the Telegram, WhatsApp, or email. And also disclaimer, like we all know, in any online business, there is always a present a certain risk. So my advice is to always make your own research. We are not financial advisors and we do not have any responsibility, because every person is responsible for their own actions and decisions. So once when you hand over your money to someone else or any other platform, you are not in control of that money anymore. So be aware of all these things. Be aware of investment online, because you need to discover, you need to find the really trusted one. If you don't want to trade by yourself, you want to depend by your own risk, you need to have a risk management. So if you choose not to do the trading, then you can come here and you can choose one of all these platforms, and all the explanations you have here on this site. Okay, so let's keep going. Before we start with the trading, small lesson about the trading of the beginners, for the beginners. I would like to ask you to hit that like button and also subscribe on my channel, so you can help me grow my channel and to show other people where they can find the useful informations regarding the online business. Okay, so let's keep going now. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a Binance. So the first thing is you need to make a registration. You need to do the verification, the KYC for sure is necessary, and then what you need to do. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. You need to buy the crypto first. Okay, so buy crypto with, let's say, euro. So you have bank deposit, credit card, debit card, anything else you choose, depends where you're from. Here you can change, you don't need to buy in euros, you can buy in the dollars or other currencies. So the first thing, you need to have any crypto or deposit any money. After that, you have a wallet. You have fiat and spot. This is one wallet. So it means fiat, it's your own currency, dollars, euros, pounds, and the spot is if you are buying on the spot. Okay, so there is no margin. It's a little bit complicated. Never mind. Okay, margin. This is a different wallet. Futures. This is a different wallet. P2P, earn, pool, and card and vanilla options. This is all your wallets. Okay, there is a difference between each one of them. Usually, we are using the spot wallet and margin. So I'm gonna show you. You go on the spot wallet. Once you purchase the Bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency, is going to be in your spot wallet. Okay. Here also you can swap and you can change. As I show you already, here is a Vazir X. So also there is on my side. So here, fiat and spot balance. Okay. So it's going to show you here if you have any crypto. If you have, let's say, Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin do you have? If you have Tether, how much of that do you have? So it's going to be here, all your cryptocurrency or fiat. Okay. If you want to use the margin, it means that you're borrowing from them the money. So you need to deposit, you need to transfer from this wallet, spot wallet, to the margin, and you can do that here. When you press transfer, you will transfer like this. I'm going to show you. As you can see, fiat and spot, you need to transfer to not futures, unless if you don't trade the futures. Cross margin. From fiat to the cross margin, you choose the currency you want to deposit as, let's say, you want to deposit a Bitcoin, not a problem. Okay, use the max amount. Okay, confirm. And that should be it. So transfer is successful. Okay, so now you will go on the margin account, and here now you will be able to borrow from them. So it means that you can borrow up to 3 times. As you can see, times 3. This is the cross margin times 3. So no more. If you do the isolated, it means that it's a higher risk that you can lose more or you can win more. So it depends. For the beginners, even only the spot is, for me, is the best to start. Okay, so also here, as you can see, you have your balance. Okay, so you can go down, you have a Bitcoin. Actually, I have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, HRP, whatever. Here I have a minus. As you can see, I borrow from them $232, actually the USDT, the Tether, for a certain trading. Okay, so how are you gonna trade? First of all, you need to do the markets. You go on the markets, you need to choose what you want to trade. Okay, so like I said, you have a spot trading, that's without margin, without anything. You are trading with your own assets that you have. If you decide to go on the margin, then you can borrow from them, but you need to transfer your assets to the margin wallet, and after that you can borrow. Let's say you can borrow the USDT, you can borrow other currency, which one you want to trade, and the borrowing serves for if you borrow 3 times from them and you trade and you make a profit. Let's say you make a profit $100, you can keep the profit, but you need to give them back their own. So you are using their funds, borrowing from them just to make a profit, higher profit. But also, if the trade doesn't go in the right direction, it there is always a risk and chance that you can be liquidated. It means that your assets you transfer to the margin account, let's say a Bitcoin, will be sold by the current price and they will take their money back. So you can stay without that. So that's why it's a little bit risky. And my recommendation is to start with a spot trading. Okay. Okay. So let's choose like this. Let's go on the Bitcoin market. And the next step, what you're gonna do. So you have here, this is the spot markets over here. So BNB markets, BTC markets, altcoins, fiat markets, ETFs. So you choose Bitcoin, for example, if you have a Bitcoin, if you want to trade and you want to increase your Bitcoin. So here, as you can see, you have pairs against the Bitcoin, the last price, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, low, market cap, 24-hour volume. So this is important. This is important. You need to see how much money is there in this moment, for example, with how much money they're trading, how much money people are investing. So you see here, 6.312 million, if I'm not wrong. And also the volume is 998, most probably Bitcoins. So there is a high volume here, and this is good to come and enter to trade. So BNB and BTC 10 times. So this means isolated. You don't look for this. So you need to find, let's say, spot. Or one more thing I can show you. This is also for the beginners. What you can do, it can be recommendable, but you can try this one. You find here 24-hour change. Once you press once here, it's going to show you the biggest minus. So against Bitcoin, the TNB goes down minus 12.50%. So what we expect usually here, you need to make your own analysis. So you open this and you can see how much he was up, how much he was down, what can you expect. So if he's not going to go, let's say, more down, you can purchase now this coin. So you can purchase with the Bitcoin you're buying, and then even if it goes on zero, he's not in the minus anymore, you will be in plus. Also here, I like to do next, I check the biggest plus, because sometimes it happens that they go even more up. So everybody gonna have their own strategy, so also you will develop your own. So you choose which coin you want to use against Bitcoin. So let's say, actually I'm gonna show you here. We have Here we have Ethereum and Bitcoin times 10, okay? Here you can change spot, like I said, with your own assets you are trading. You want to buy, you want to sell, okay? I'm going to move this here, okay? So if, let's say, Ethereum is going up, so against the Bitcoin, so the green line, this is a super trend. So you can choose here, where is the technical indicator, you go here, you press super trend, and it's gonna show up. You press once, that's it. As you can see, super trend will show you here. So it means it's gonna show you here the green line, the green arrow. I don't know if you see here. Here, yep. So when it starts going green, it's gonna tell you to buy. When it's becoming red, let's see back. When it becomes red, so it's gonna tell you to sell. You can use this as a let's say, to show you, to help you a little bit, to assist you, but you're following, usually this is some type of uptrend, and here we can expect a little bit more to grow, okay? So also you're checking 24 high, 24 low. Current price is 0.424, so the highest was 427, okay? So it might go more up, okay? 3816, so it's far away from down, so this is 3186, okay? So let's find something else. We have a Bitcoin, we have a sushi. For example, here, what you can do. Okay, you miss to enter here. If you bought here, if I bought here, for example, the price goes up, 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 and here I can sell. Okay, so I go, when I see something like this, I press buy. How I'm gonna buy? So here it will show my Bitcoins. And this is cross trade, okay. Here will show my Bitcoins. I don't trade in the spot trade. I'm going on a cross tree, so I'm on the margin, I'm borrowing from them. I can borrow, you see, borrow, I can borrow as much as I want. I mean 0.01 Bitcoin they will give me. If I go normal, this is my Bitcoins I deposited. So let's say I'm going with my own and I'm choosing, okay, I'm thinking it's gonna go more up, so 2611, okay, so you go here and choose the price you want to buy. You think it's gonna go more up, okay, then you can buy on this price. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Here you can choose how much you want. You want a 25%, you want a 50% to buy of your assets. So your Bitcoin that you have here and here is gonna show you, is it half or you want a full amount, the all you have, all in. And if you press buy, it's gonna buy but this price when it reach 2608, okay? Now at the moment is on 2610. So as soon as you go down for 2, it's gonna be sold. You will buy by this price, okay? So what you're expecting? Expecting that the price of sushi goes even more up. So once you buy this coin by the price of you choose, what you need to do, you go to sell. So now you have that asset. As you can see here, I did trade with them a little bit and I sold, okay? So you want to sell. Where you want to sell? Now you choose the price. You're expecting that is going to reach, let's say, 2709, okay? So here you can type your price 2709 bitcoins for one sushi. Okay, here you choose amount of how much you want to sell because you previously bought, and you press sell, and that's regular limit order. Okay, so here you have limit, market, and the stop limit. Okay, you're buying on the limit, you're selling on the limit. That's simple for the spot trading. Okay, so you buy at one price and you wait to price to go up that you can sell. So this is, you will increase your bitcoin like this. So how? You're buying with the bitcoin sushi coin by this price and you are waiting to go up. Once it goes up, you are selling the sushi for the bitcoin and you will have your bitcoin even more. So you're going to have your own what you bought plus your profit. Okay, what is going to happen if this price here, as you can see now, 2603, and now it's 09, it starts going down? So how we can use that? So for example, I didn't enter here, so the price goes up, 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 and we can say we lose a profit. Actually, we didn't lose anything, but we didn't trade. So what we can use now, if we are expecting that the price will go down, so what we need to do? We need to purchase the sushi, or we need to wait. For example, we need to wait till the price goes down, then we buy again, and we wait to grow. But how we can use this one? For example, we don't need to wait. Is it possible that we can do something else? Yes, it is. Then you need to go on the margin, you need to go borrow, and it's going to give you, as you can see, how much you can borrow. 6.9 sushi coin I can borrow from them. And what can I do now? For example, I want to sell at this price. I want to sell full amount. So I want to sell all 6.9 they will give me. They are giving me the Binance. And if I sell now, it's going to be sold by this price. And I'm expecting to go down. So if we are expecting to go down, what is going to happen? We sold and we have a Bitcoin, right? We will receive 0.0018 Bitcoins. So when the price goes down, if it goes down, that's a condition, and stops here, let's say, here we go and we buy with the Bitcoins we sold here. We buy here and we wait slowly to go back. So we are winning all this time, and plus when we buy here, we are winning again if it goes up. We make a new trade. So only step by step, you need to slowly, you need to try, and you need to do by yourself with the small amounts. That's a recommendable. So you need to first learn how to register, you need to first learn how to do the verification, then you need to go and to see how you will buy the Bitcoin, how you will purchase the crypto, buy crypto. And also on my site Passive Income, you can find the instructions how you can buy or sell on the Sex EO all the crypto or wherever you want. Okay, so once when you have your Bitcoin, you can start trading. So recommendable is, let's start with 50 or $100 or euros, and you have in your crypto. So then the next step, you choose the market. Like I said already, you choose the market. Okay, you go on the spot market. That's how you can, let's say, you're not gonna lose here anything because people are worrying of losing. You're not gonna lose. Only the value of that coin that you purchase, that you have. Let's say you will buy sushi with the Bitcoin and the price goes down. Then nothing. You are locked. You will be locked and you need to wait until the price doesn't go up again. When it goes up again, you sell, you swap for the Bitcoin, and you will have again the same amount. That's a condition. So the only problem is you're not going to allow yourself to lock your investment. So what you can do then, if you go on stop limit here, you can see, for example, you go like this and it's going to be stop limit or OCO. OCO is a really good thing. So you can use it as when you are selling something on a short term. Okay, you're using the OCO. So what does it mean? If, for example, I have this sushi here, and let's transfer like this. I will show you how this works. If I have 7.22 sushis and I want to sell, let's say, I'm choosing the price that I want. And I'm expecting that the price will go, let's see, like this, all the way here, 0.22816. Okay, so we will type this price here, and I'm gonna explain you everything. 2800. Here we're gonna put like this. Okay, so if I just buy now the sushi with the Bitcoin by the price of 2575, okay, and I want to sell by this price of 2800, okay, that's going to be a profit. This is my profit. So what is going to happen if this coin, this price here, starts going down? I don't want to lose, and I don't want to lock my money, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up under the price I bought. Let's say I bought 2578. So now the stop, actually the trigger, is going to be on 2565, so less than the price I bought. And I'm going to sell in case that the price goes down, starts to go down. I'm going to set up to sell on 2550. Okay, so what does it show you here? I'm taking the profit here in case it goes up. Okay, in case it starts going down, I don't want to lose too much, and also I don't want to trap my money and my bitcoins to stay there and wait actually in the sushi coin until it goes back up that I can take out my money. So I'm setting up a limit, stop and limit. So this stop will trigger this one. So this one, when it reaches this one, sometimes it can happen, let's say goes a little bit down, like going down and then go up again. So we don't want to sell straight if it starts going down. So we set up the trigger 565 to 565, and it's gonna be under the alert. Okay, so if it starts going even more under and it hits 2550, it's gonna be sold. So I'm gonna lose a small amount of my bitcoins, but I'm not gonna be locked. My money is, my bitcoins will not be locked in the sushi coin, or and then I need to add, I don't need to wait for price to go up again for, let's say, 1 week or a couple of days that I can take out. Okay, so this serves for that, and this is the best way. OCO, one against another. Okay, so what you do, you're gonna choose here how much you want, you set up everything. So that means when you want to sell, you want to sell on 2800. In case that your prediction doesn't go well, you want to sell a little bit under the price you bought, and you set up the trigger and you set up the price you want to sell. Okay, so usually you can set up, you give yourself a little bit, let's say like this. As you can see here, it goes up and down and up and down and up and maybe down, and maybe it's going to go more up. So if it goes a little bit down, you don't want to sell straight because maybe it can go back. So that's why we are using this OCO order, price, stop, limit. You put the amount, you press margin sell, and that's it. Your order will be here. Now at the moment I'm selling the Ethereum for the Bitcoin, and the order will be here. Open orders, trade history, and I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, I bought sushi for Bitcoin. I sold at this price. Fee, you always need to be aware of fee. There is a fee when you're buying and when you're selling. And here is the amount of Bitcoin that I sold. Okay, so you can check. I bought the same sushi for this price, let's say, and I sold here for this price a half, and then I sold again, I sell again by this price. As you can see, I was doing many of the CRVs against BTC. I bought at 702, I bought against 703. Here you can see I sell at 715, 713. Again here, CRV, I sold 694, but that's why I bought on 689. So I buy here, I sell here at this price. As you can see, 641, I get 645. Okay, so that's a small profit, but that's a daily trade, you know, like that's trading. You're sitting, you're observing the chart, Okay, I'm seeing now it's going down. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, what can we expect from this coin? Okay, that is gonna go down or up. That's, we cannot know, so we can check here how much is the volume in the bitcoins. 484.69. 484 bitcoin is trading now against this coin, against the sushi. Okay, the volume of sushi 1,989,000. Okay, so 12.70, it can go more up. Okay, so this can be just a small pullback. He's going up and down, and here he can start going up, or he can start going down. When he touched the green line here, the super trend, this one here, when, if in case he goes here down, he's gonna start being red and he's gonna tell you to sell. So basically that is gonna be too late when he show you to sell, because you're already, if you buy here, you will be in the problem. So you're not buying here unless you don't wanna go short. If you are expecting that the coin will go down, you will buy here. Actually, you will sell here. You will expect to go down. You're gonna buy again, and you give them back their own. You will stay with the profit. Okay, so that's gonna be for the margin trading. Okay, I'll show you that here. Like I said, we have a markets. As you can see, the FTM goes really up, 42%, 31%. This coin is really good and profitable, 31%. So here you can choose, like I said, you can press once here, 24-hour change, and it's gonna show you the biggest minus. Like I said, this minus eventually will go back. So if you have time to wait, you go here, let's say this is the biggest minus, and I have time to wait. What I'm gonna do, simple, I'm gonna purchase these nulls with the bitcoins by the price of 1141. So it means 0.00001141 bitcoins for one of these coins. So this coin is very cheap, and it's gonna show you here in the dollars. So this is $0.3. Okay, so here you can check the chart. Here you can change the time, but usually I'm checking 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Okay, so you can start with 1 hour, 4 hours, just to see what I'm talking about. You see here goes down, so here is the time that he will start going up. It may go even more lower, but here is forming here. Let's see. So 1135. So for example, if I want to buy 1125, even go down. Okay, so we choose the price, we choose the amount, we buy here, let's say, and we wait. We wait 1 day, maybe 2 days, maybe even after 2 hours, the price can reach again up. Okay, so it depends the previous price, how was it. So you can see the price is down, and here this is the uptrend and growing, and now he's down, he's pulling back. So what we can expect, I don't want to give you too much information for the first time if you are new in the trading. So here is the tools that you can predict, but this is only in the time. So this doesn't serve you anything if you're not sure and if you don't know. But let's say like this pitchfork, you find the lowest position, you find the highest, but not this one. This is only once. So you choose this one, let's say like this. You pull this down, and that's it. Okay, so now you have one here tunnel, another tunnel, one more tunnel, and one more. You have 4 places here where it can go, the direction of of this crypto, of this coin. So as you can see, he entered here. So he was, I will show you. I will show you just to understand a little bit more, because it's going to be easier for you, much easier. Okay, he was in this line, the green one here. Okay, here, and then he break it. He break it here. He keep going. He break again one more this line. He enter. He break the resistance, and this resistance become a support. So he go up, he only touch the resistance, this is the test, and he go down. He break again the support become resistance, he go in this part, and he go back again. So if he breaks this, let's say this line, this resistance, he will enter in the new phase here. So from here we can expect that he can bounce up, down, or he can go again through this one and like this. So this is the thing that we don't know. One more thing is this one, RSI, Relative Strength Index. He can show you so many things. Here is the 70%, this is 30%. Usually, as you can see here, he bounce from the middle, hit the 70%, he goes down. Again, hit the 70%, goes down. Again here, he break the 70, but he go down. Every time he touch the 70, he will go down, most probably. So what you're looking for? You were looking for the place when he hits down, usually goes up. Again hits down, and then he goes up, okay? So this is also a good thing that he can help you with your trades, with your trading. If you find, and you can type RSI, and I'm going to show you, you find the indicator, you press RSI, and it's going to show Relative Strength Index, okay? This is it. So every time he's down, he can go even a little bit more lower, but he cannot go forever. He needs to bounce back. Usually in, let's say, 70-80% of the cases, when he touch up, he goes down. When he hits down, he goes up. He's bouncing like a small ball, okay? As you can see, every time he hits, he goes back. So this is one more thing that he can help you and in your analysis. And yeah, that's it. That will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe for new videos, because they will keep coming, guys, okay?